How many times have you gone for a dental cleaning and you were in and out the door, the doctor popped in for 2 seconds, took a look, you're on the road thinking, man, I don't even know what just happened, that was so fast. Well, we've heard that a lot. And at Atlanta Dental Spa, we do things differently. In fact, we call it your oral wellness visit, because that's what we're here for. When you come to see us for your hygiene visit, we're gonna do several things that look at the big picture of what's going on with your mouth and your health. We'll check your blood pressure to make sure that things are healthy and stable before we even get started. We're gonna update x-rays annually to make sure that there's no breakdown of bone below the gums or decay between the teeth. We're gonna update photos when we see issues so that we can share with you exactly what's going on so that you can make the best decision for yourself. We do an annual updated wellness scan that helps us track any movement or recession that could be happening in your mouth. We always do a periodontal evaluation where we're checking the health of your mouth, the gum and bone, to make sure that there's no inflammation, infection, bleeding, or deterioration, because we know that when gums are inflamed, so is everything else in your body. It's all connected. We always do an oral cancer screening where we're looking for any lumps, bumps, or knots, anything that looks abnormal or unusual. And annually, we use something called the Velscope, which is a UV light that helps us look beyond what our eyes can just see to the base membrane and make sure there's no abnormal cells. So once we do all of those assessments, we invite the doctor in, and the three of us, you, me as the hygienist, and the doctor sit down together and discuss your goals, your priorities, and all of the information that we just gathered to help create the best plan for you, to meet you where you're at and help you to achieve the smile and the health that you want to have. And to do that as comprehensively as possible, we may suggest some other adjuncts. If we see signs of inflammation or bleeding or breakdown in the tissue, we'll suggest a saliva test. It helps us look for the different microbes that might be living in your mouth to determine how we need to treat those best and what long-term care is going to be best for you. We also offer something called PerioProtect trays, which help you maintain the health of your mouth daily at home. It's kind of the equivalent of getting a professional cleaning, just in the comfort of your own home. We always offer sedation as an option, whether you're doing a regular standard dental cleaning or you need something more invasive. And then we have a plethora of products that we use just to help customize your long-term health and wellness, whether it's probiotics to add good bacteria in, whether it's things to help prevention of decay, we've got it. Our number one goal is to customize care for you and help you obtain and maintain health for a lifetime. Give us a call to schedule your next oral wellness visit. We can't wait to meet you.